What's going on, everybody? Back for another episode. Give you guys an update of the RWB build. So the kit finally came in. It's over here at the shop. I'm at King of Queens. You guys know about King of Queens from one of the episodes I did before. So I just wanted to lay out the kit, show you guys what the kit looks like. It's like reality starting to set in now that this RWB is about to happen. So we're one step closer. I'm gonna take you guys outside. I already laid out I only laid out the passenger side panels, the front bumper and the rear bumper. Yo, this thing is like, it got me hyped just looking at the car. Like I said, I'm gonna take you guys outside so you guys can see what that looks like. After that, I'll give you guys a quick update of the E30. I know some of you guys are still asking me what's going on with that. It's a whole nother thing with that. So well, let's go outside. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, so like I mentioned, I put the front bumper on, I put the front fender on, the quarter fender on, and I also put on the rear bumper. The deck lid and the GT2 wing and everything is still in the box. I didn't want to take everything out like the side skirt. I just wanted to give you guys, just take you guys to see what it's like, what it'll potentially look like. But man, even just the front bumper on the car, like, I'm super excited. Super excited. This is gonna be nuts. Yeah, this is the lip. You guys, this actually pivots up for like when you want to go over speed bumps and stuff like that. Because remember, there's the big rubber lip that sits in front of here that actually sits lower than this. So when you're going over speed bumps and any type of obstacles, this thing actually pops up, which is sick. But the quality of this kit is like, it's top notch, man. Top notch. I've seen other panels and stuff from like other kits and they're not the greatest. So, whew. How excited are you guys about this, man? Give you guys a nice shot of the interior. Yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. Oh man. You guys see what the kit, just a raw look of the kit. It's like surreal. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the E30. So the E30 as you guys know, the car was already painted. It's been about like 2 months now that the car has been sitting here because I put new windows in. Like BMW, we ordered brand new seals from BMW and they weren't in. It took like about 2 months for us to get the seals. We finally got the seals. The seals don't fit. They sent us another set. The second set doesn't fit. The glass installer came, he tried both sets and they don't work. So I ended up just installing the old seals back on there because they were still in good condition. I just decided to change them while they were out, while the windows were out. I didn't really have to change them, but it just made more sense to do that. But we're gonna put the old seals back in. We're gonna put the car back together. That's gonna be ready to go. I'm already getting offers for the car. I'm on the fence about selling it. The reason why, because the other topic I wanted to talk about real quick, and I'm gonna make an episode about that, is that I'm not doing the LS swap. I'm actually twin turboing this car. I'm gonna build the motor, build the flat 6, the 3.6, gonna twin turbo it. I'm trying to reach like 600. I think that's more than enough for this car because the car's light. It's gonna feel like a freaking monster. That's what similar to what like the GT2 version of my car is running. Those are around like close to the I would say like 500 range, mid 500. So that's what I'm shooting for. So that's gonna be a pretty expensive build. I'm gonna break down the cost of that build in another episode, and then you'll understand why I'm putting the E30 up for sale. I want to keep it, but it's just the 993 takes so much more priority, and I rather just it's a better investment for me. Like I would love to see this car, fully built. So unfortunately, the E30, like I said, just gonna have to let that thing go. But I'm gonna show you guys the end product of the car after it's painted. Do some more content with it. I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. So, but other than that, I'm happy, man. I'm happy. Yeah, it's gonna be me soon. Thanks for tuning in. Next episode, we'll see what's going on. I got a special treat for you guys after this. Stay tuned. See you guys next time. Peace.